Dog owners, you'll want to keep a close eye on your pets. Some DFW dog kennels say they are seeing an uptick in upper respiratory infections among dogs. Our Brooke Rogers now with more.
Your furry friends can also fall under the weather. Veterinarians say they've seen an increase in canine infectious respiratory diseases, the most common of which is Bordetella, also called kennel cough. Dr. Ashley Pretty of Dallas Veterinary Clinic says spikes coincide with heavy travel times and even population growth.
Everybody wants to come to Dallas, and everybody moves to Dallas, and they bring their dog. And obviously those dogs can bring in pathogens, and when they go boarding, they'll spread the pathogens too.
But he says dogs can also infect each other at groomers, dog parks, or any group location.
And obviously you bring a bunch of dogs together, you can vaccinate everyone and kind of hope for the best.
Dr. Pretty says to look for symptoms including coughing, fever, nasal discharge, lethargy, and lack of appetite, and then take them to your vet.
It's kind of like us where there's a PCR test. Unfortunately, there's not a rapid PCR test for dogs to figure out what they're sick with, so we do send off swabs to the lab.
Dr. Pretty says they've also seen an increase in cases of canine influenza. And just like with the flu with us, it can live on surfaces, clothing, and hands. So if a dog sneezes on the sidewalk and other dogs sniff it, they could potentially become infected. He says keeping your dog up to date on vaccinations, including the flu shot, is your best defense. And don't wait until just before you leave town.
The best way to do it would be to actually get their boosters a few weeks before they go to the boarding kennel, before they go grooming. That allows their body the chance for the immunity to build up, so then when they get exposed to that pathogen, they hopefully won't get sick.
Brooke Rogers, CBS News, Texas.